Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arjay JOCSON. For today's video guys, gagawa tayo ng tutorial paano gamitin ang asterisk 143 para makapag-redeem ng unlimited Facebook one day. Guys, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, pakiclick mo na rin yung subscribe button, paki-like, paki-share na rin, and paki-click na rin yung notification bell para update ka sa aking mga upcoming videos. And guys, huwag na natin patagalin to. Punta na tayo sa screen ng aking cellphone. Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa aking cellphone. Tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano i-redeem ang point sa Globe to FB one day, to Facebook one day. Yan, unlimited Facebook one day. Yan. Punta tayo sa call, tapos pindutin natin yung asterisk 143 sign number, tapos i-call natin guys. Yan, hintayin natin, nakalagay running USSD code. Tapos lalabas dito guys, makikita nyo yung balance. Yan, ang balance ko 0.4. Tapos may nakalagay na date. Tapos hanapin nyo yung reward. Ayan, yan mga nakalagay dyan. So 1 go, new go plus, saka 2 go, go booster, surf all times favorites, Globe 1, Gcash, reward, saka loan. Yan, pindutin nyo yung reward. Number 8, yan. Pindut kayo dito ng number 8. Yan. Number 8, then send. Yan, pagtapos lalabas yung send instruction. Tapos hanapin nyo yung redeem rewards. Ayan, ang mga nakalagay dito to 1 to 8, yan basahin nyo. Merong get globe reward up, check point balance. Yan sa number 2, pwede nyo i-check yung balance nyo kung ilan pa yung points nyo, makikita nyo dyan, lalabas dyan yon. Tapos sa number 3, redeem rewards. Tapos sa 4, pay store. Sa number 5 guys, register personal info, get program info, gift rewards. Tapos yung 8 back. Ayan. Pindutin syempre natin yung number 3. Yun yung reward. Again, number 3. Just send ulit. Tapos lalabas yung send instruction ulit. Tapos volume boost. Tapos Globe Telecom product. Tapos yung number 3 is back. Pindutin nyo syempre yung Globe Telco product. Ayan. Number 2. Then send. Lalabas uli yung send instruction. Then hanapin nyo yung FB one day. Ayan, makikita natin guys yung 1, 2, 3, 1 to 10. Hanapin natin dyan yung FB one day. Kung hindi naman natin makita yung FB one day guys, pindutin natin yung next, yung number 9. Number 9, yan, send. Tapos, ayan ulit, labas uli yung send instruction. Hanapin uli natin yung FB one day. Ayan, to 1 to 10. Hanapin nyo dyan kung saan yung FB one day. Ayan, wala siya dyan. Ito, pindutin uli natin yung number 9. Then send. Ayan. Hanapin uli natin yung FB one day. Ayan, wala uli dito yung FB one day. Iba uli na sa 1, 2, 3, 1 to 10. Wala uli yung FB one day. Next lang tayo ng next guys. Hanggang sa makita natin yung FB one day. Facebook one day. Yan. Ayan guys, send instruction. Ito, lumabas na. Lumabas na yung to 1 to 3, lumabas na yung FB one day sa number 2. Nakalagay FB one day. Yan, pindutin natin number 2 guys. And then send. Yan, lumabas uli yung send instruction. Sa number 1, description. Number 2, redeem. Sa number 3, back. Syempre, dun tayo sa redeem guys. Para makapag-redeem tayo. Yan, number 2. Pindutin uli natin. Then send. Yan, lumabas uli yung send instruction. Sa number 1, with MPIN, sa number 2 without MPIN, sa number 3 is back. Syempre guys, pindutin natin guys yung number 2 without MPIN. Number 2 guys ha, without MPIN. Then number 2, then send. Send instruction ulit lumabas guys. Syempre ang pipindutin natin dyan is yung number 1, redeem. Ayan, redeem natin guys. Number 1, send. Yun guys, lumabas na yung we will process your request. Please wait for confirmation message on your phone. Ayan, magte-text sa cellphone nyo guys kung pumasok na siya or hindi. Ayan, guys, may lumabas dito na you may now enjoy unlimited Facebook surfing valid for, pindutin natin sa message guys. Ayan. Ayan, you may now enjoy unlimited Facebook surfing valid for 1 day. To check on the status, text FB 1 day space status to 800. Yan, yan ang nakalagay guys. Sana may natutunan kayo dito sa ating tutorial kung paano mag-redeem ng points to FB1 day. Yan. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Kung may natutunan kayo sa video na to guys, pakiclick na lang po yung subscribe, like and share. Pakiclick na rin po yung bell para updated ka sa aking mga video. Maraming salamat. Thank you.